hear our breath. We're like,
We're walking back.
hi, Tit. Oh, wait, shit, I can't say shit like that.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
We're walking back
We should have took a video
some
at
ice cream.
We went to the pub, and a lot of people were staring at us. Oh my god, get that guy's there. He's eating watermelon.
He's smoking weed, actually. Anyways, there's a lot of ratchet people there.
There were a lot, and a lot of them were staring at us.
It's kind of
It
scary.
was crazy. They wanted our asses.
But we didn't give it to them because
We cool, and we good, and we ain't gonna do that. We good these
you can see the street now. I hate when
I've been farting
people.
all day.
Shut up.
Anyways, what?
Do you see that white stuff? It's
No.
like swirl, like right here.
Oh my god!
It's really hot.
I'm gonna get black ass Coney. And not that I already am, but even blacker.
Okay, the Batch sisters are out.
Hey!